Hi, I'm Mark. Welcome to the Practice Short Conversation series. Practice 2. You will hear a conversation about booking accommodation. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. Let's begin.
Good morning. Welcome to Greenview Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good morning. I'd like to inquire about booking a room for a few nights, please.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Could I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Emily Chen. That's spell E-M-I-L-Y-C-H-E-N.
Thank you, Ms. Chen. And could you please provide me with your address?
Certainly, it's 42 Maple Street. That's spell M-A-P-L-E.
Perfect, thank you for spelling that out. Now, how many nights will you be staying with us?
I'll need the room for 3 nights, starting from this Friday.
Understood, and will it be just for yourself, Ms. Chen?
Yes, just me. Thank you.
Great, your reservation for a single room at Greenview Hotel is confirmed for 3 nights, checking in on Friday and checking out on Monday. We'll ensure everything is ready for your arrival.
Wonderful, thank you. Could you please remind me of the hotel's address?
Certainly, we're located at 123 Oak Avenue. That's spell O-A-K Avenue.
Got it, thank you. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome, Ms. Chen. If you have any further questions or requests, feel free to let us know.